Good afternoon, YouTubers. Coming to you from the Bungo Engineering Kitchen Table Workshop. I got this aluminum printing plate. They're obsolete now with the computers and digital graphics. But I laid out a straight line with this and cut it with my tin snips. Today's mission is to patch a blowout hole in my exhaust pipe so I don't get a ticket on the way to the junkyard when I go to junk this rust bucket Dodge. That's why we're going fast and cheap. JB Weld muffler sealer. Tin snips I got at a sale somewhere. That just sliced that. But the problem is you got to make this round. So you got to do a little primitive blacksmithing here. Kind of roll it. Because it's soft aluminum and it should roll. Not real high tech. We're low tech here. Low tech with the emphasis on the low. Some of that isn't very round. It's getting some bumps and wiggles in it. Got some sharp edges on it too. But that's the idea. And I'm not going to use all of this. I'm probably going to use enough to go around a pipe that's bigger than that. So I got to cut some of this down. I think I'm going to cut through there. This looks like the piece that's got some adjustability to it. Rollin', rollin', rollin'. Yeah, I'm gonna go over the edge with some sandpaper so this will compress together a little smoother. Because I want it to fit around the outside of the hole in my exhaust pipe. So we'll go on to another part of the video. This is part 1.